Hello, mathematicians. I hope by the end of this video you can say I can solve one-step equations involving addition. Let's look at an example here. So we're given x plus 12 equals 20, and x is a variable, and we are not sure what this variable, what its value is yet, but we can find out what it is. So the value that x's value is going to be the value that makes this statement true. So what plus 12 equals 20? And some of you might be able to just identify it right there without doing any sort of algebraic operations or anything like that, but we're going to learn how to do that. So in order to do this, we need to get x by itself, or we need to isolate the variable on this side of the equal sign. Okay, so on this side of the equal sign, what's happening to x? What's happening to our variable? Well, 12 is being added to it. So in order to get rid of this plus 12, we need to do our inverse operation here. And the inverse operation of addition is subtraction. So we need to subtract 12 from this side of the equation. And that would get rid of that 12 right there. However, when we are dealing with equations, if you do something on one side of the equal sign, you have to do it to the other side in order to keep the equation true. So we also need to subtract 12 from this side of the equation. Okay, so we subtract 12 from both sides of the equal sign right here. Okay, and now all we need to do is, what's 0 minus 2? Well, we can't do that. We need to borrow. What's 10 minus 2? That is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, so now what are we left with on the left side? This 12 is gone. We got rid of it by subtracting 12. So all that's left is x. And x equals 8. So that is our solution to this equation. X equals 8. And if we wanted to, we could check our answer by inputting this 8 in for x to see if we get a true statement. So let's do that right here. So we're going to verify our answer to this equation. So instead of writing x, we're going to write 8. So we got 8 plus 12 equals 20. And we input this 8 in for x. And we know 8 plus 12 does indeed equal 20. So 20 equals 20. And that is a true statement. So we have a good answer. So our answer here is x is equal to 8. And that is a good answer. One thing I want to add at the end of this video is that x plus 12 equals 20 is the exact same equation as 20 equals x plus 12. It does not matter which side of the equal sign they're on, okay? So the answer to 20 equals x plus 12 is the exact same. We'd subtract 12, and we'd get 8 equals x, which is the exact same thing as x equals 8. So that is it for a video. I hope after watching this video and getting in a little bit of practice, you can say I can solve one-step equations involving addition.